Welcome to Richard Kabili YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, I will be teaching you on how to adjust text size on iPhone X. But first, kindly subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And let's start. Using your iPhone X, from your home screen, first go to Settings. Then in the settings, scroll down and go to Display and Brightness, then tap. Then after that, in the display and brightness, go to appearance sections, then find the text size, then tap again. Then after that, in this part, in the text size, if you want to adjust your text size into bigger one, just drag it to right if you want to make it bigger. And if you want to adjust it to smaller, just drag it to left to adjust it from bigger to smaller. And if you want to change it to medium size, just put it back to the middle. And that's it. We have successfully adjusted text size on iPhone X. If you have a question, kindly comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And thank you for watching.